Scuffles breaks out between street vendors and police personnel. 5 street vendors, 3 police personnel and Assistant Commissioner of Imphal West sustained injuries. Council of Teachers Association Kota warns to boycott upcoming Class 10 and 12 examinations 2020 if the state government fails to fulfill its demand to implement 7th pay scale. Federation of Government College Teachers Association of Manipur and All Manipur College Teachers Association continue their protest demanding to implement 7th pay scale. And All India Association of Medical Social Work Personnel kicked off its 7th Annual National Conference on Social Research and Health Care at RIMS today. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Thursday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Scuffles occurred as police halted street vendors from holding a meeting at GM Hall sans permissions of Imphal Municipal Council around 9 a.m. today. 5 street vendors, 3 police personnel and Assistant Commissioner of Imphal West sustained injuries during the scuffle. According to Impact News sources, street vendors tried to convey a meeting at GM Hall without any permission from IMC. However, before the commencement of the meeting, police stopped them, following which the street vendors stayed sitting in front of GM Hall. Additional Manipur police personnel came and dispersed the protesters. Later, the street vendors protested, demanding to provide their spot at Kwaranban Market. Police resorted to firing smoke bomb to contain the situation. One man who retaliated with the same smoke bomb fired by police was also arrested. Intense scuffles occurred among the police and street vendors when police tried to arrest the men. Later, additional Manipur police personnel arrived and contained the situation. The street vendors later came towards IMC, demanding to meet with IMC Commissioner. Speaking to media, advisor of a street vendor, Lystrom Mema, said the meeting was organized to discuss on ways to curb the flights facing the street vendors by holding talks with the state government. She further demanded the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. She urged the state government to look into the illegal vending activities instead of causing inconveniences to daily bread earning vendors.
Officer Amana Office ki timing ka dana chuti chulok dana pung kumari so lolaga tawraga di sigumba matik cha da ba commissioner che gamena authority oiba mode ki mantri na amadi chief minister na mieng changbiraga sigumba mathong macha khangdaba officer sing de kudak da dismiss tawbiyo haibagi kholaw ni khoi ngasi mafam sida ngaijari se aduga masi gamena kana na masi piriba authorized or piriba municipality na hairiba khoi ki compensation lak ahum je pidragadi moi mathakta khoi tawya ba khoi tawrani maram dinga si wairu ba mayam se moi hana inform pi de yare hairaga amu mi tawrage na wairu ra kan de yare roi haibse sana pola ai lektaba lebak la ai ngai ba mina ai thugaira agadi khoi karmaine hingadorige hoji wai mayam na haura kanda nupa ama lai si simta paibi oi kai gi che noi bungai ba noi gi do yara roi haibe ne nga sayuk tawda ba poto ngasi nungdin nungdang wairam da che porai ba nang naming na tha kai nang na thakta ligen chu tawra haidagi si du paira si ingri.
Council of Teachers Association Kota has warned to boycott the upcoming Class 10 and 12 examinations 2020 conducted by BOSUM and COSUM if the state government failed to fulfill its long-pending demand to implement 7th pay scale for the government teachers at the earliest. Kota convener C.H. Shantakumar declared the same during the protest demonstration carried out by the association in front of JED-EO office in Kuyathong today. C.H. Santikumar lamented that the state government has failed to carry out necessary revision process for teachers to provide 7th pay scale, although the same has been done for other departments. He said the protest demonstration was carried out against such inappropriate acts of government which clearly shows that teachers are being looked down. CA Santakumar warned of various forms of agitation, including boycott of examination and mass court arrest if their demands remain unfulfilled. Many government teachers from various primary schools, junior high schools, and higher secondary schools across the state took part in the protest.
North Central State Punamukta 7 pay in Toto Loinana, Masikman scale Pigraga, Manipur Kakang Tungan, Hantana Pibase, Manipur Gi Sarkar, Sina, Odasimbu, Tasiang, Hantana Yang have a film of Sequoin Ufange, Adana, Kotana Mang Tatsan Gibu Hungsang at Wine Totana, Zel Borotoba, Maskor Estova, really hunger strike Toba Loinana. Pass unto that Amadi, Sibha Taragadi, examination boycott over Kongang Bautan Gani.
Pumaki Punjok Tingra put Aduda, Gomena Yabigra put Adu, order in a Topi, a woman in a back way, and Lanate and Jasta, Amuk down not revision Taragadi, naturally Ojasing society and the Chile Batabani. Masida Tolba consequence, it will be borne by the government of Manipur.
Responding to Impact News' query of why the teachers remained silent during various issues such as decrease in number of students in government schools and when students turn out nil during examinations but only protest during their pay scale, Quota advisor G.R. Renbu alleged the failure of government policy for decrease in number of students at the government schools. Asserting that teachers have always carried out their duties and responsibilities efficiently, he appealed to public not to misperceive the teachers.
सरकार स्कूल सेमगतकनी फजाहनगनी है मचिंग दहारे ओजादा हायरे करिगुम मफम खरदना पिथान ले करिगुम मफम खरदना अनि उहुम खक्तले चिन ददी जेंगसिनबा अदुगा थवा ओइना जेंगसिनबा मत लेत्रे अरुना सरकार स्कूल से सरकार न मखौना कौरगा तुहन बने अदुगा कनो ओजा सिंगना कौरगा तुहन बनते प्राइवेट की स्कूल जेंगगदी नुती की नौबगुम चाही चाही की नौबगुम तवे सरकार की स्कूल जेंगगदी चाही चाही की तुगदबगुम तवे कनाने सुचांग जारोय पामोय मम्मा मपासिंगनसु मखोयगी छात्री छात्रासिंग मचा मसुसिंगबु थादोकनिंगोय थाजिननिंगोय हाबिदि सरकार की स्कूल दी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल दी तुगदबगी नायदन लेरे.
Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur FAGOCTA have warned to continue their sit-ins and boycott of classes until the government fulfill their various demands, including to implement 7th UGC pay and regulations of 2018. Members of the association carried out protest demonstrations at GP Women College today. Speaking to media, FAGOCTA Vice President K. Sanaton Sharma warned that the teachers might even resolve not to partake in the examination if the government failed to pay heed to their demands. He mentioned that the members of the association have already met with the state government, concerned ministers and representatives of relevant departments on the same, but no actions have been taken until date. He urged the government to give cabinet approval of the demands of government teachers to resume normal academic activities at the earliest.
Ngarangsi Education Minister na siya lawraga magi makar laiba Commissioner Directorate ki kangbu mayamsi loina meeting ko buni madu aikoi yaw aikoi ge yanaba ma thamsi hayeng cabinet ta puthораga yanadaba leiraga di madu gi akaiba leini haibagi wakhal londu da aikoi ngarangsi meeting dawi Education Minister na kauri badi sai handu haibane aikoi na thengkhang ka yada handokhiba thajabadagi yamna phajana thajaruraga tha ani muk tumina legiba se masi pendaba che si leibani na handakti aikoi handokpai wafam leite assurance amta leite until and unless na final approval pidraba adu oraboi lekoi handuoi yam thuna madu logbiro final approval hek phangbaga khudak tu da ekoi sarkar se thagat baga loina na protest se koi handok jage hairame exam gi de ekoi hojik phaugi ne konjanje si henjal agadi exam chu boycott torkale.
Members of all Manipur College Teachers Association also held a protest meet to discuss various demands, including demand to implement 7th pay at the multi-purpose hall of Manipur College today. Manipur attendees resolved to carry out cease work strike from February 12th if the relevant authorities fail to pay heed to their demands. A protest rally was also held after the meet. Various placards were displayed during the rally. However, police personnel halted the rally and prevented from proceeding any further.
Amagtana Thangali charter of demand 10 point charter of demand Sarkar ki willingness lay tawbuda hoji burning oirba 7 UGC pay scale se han implement tawrasi masiki matungda atai others mapando matang phase bar manner da tawrasi haibida aikoi su yai week ahungi matamda koi loisenjarage haidana assurance ma government ki aiba ma pire October ki tarik 35 da amuk kore 2019 ki November ki ahum mari bhogi manungda akoi implementation si tawjarage cabinet da bukhalaga ayab se lawrage haidana aiba amamuk address tawraga pire January ke tarik 13 sida reminder pidana January mong loichen biu haiben January loichen dragadi February 1 dagi koi mass mobilization ki khongjang hana suspend to gi bedo koi resume torani haibani sarkar na toraktre ana tarik 32 dagi di koi sisbak toragani.
All Manipur Government Drivers and Technicians Association have warned that the government drivers will launch a cease-work strike if the state government fails to fulfill their 3 demands, including to provide Grade 3 pay and regularization of work charged master role drivers at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, working president of the association, K. Ibomcha, lamented that the government has failed to take necessary actions to fulfill the demands of the drivers who are working for over 10 hours per day since 2016. He asserted that upon failure to grant permission to meet with Chief Minister N. Biren and Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu to discuss on the same, the association resolved to carry out the agitations.
Sahi kungi manungda aikoi driver singsi 3 tire da on view thangkhang ahum thokna aikoi gi incentive pibiu haibani koi si changba matamda grade 3 haire group C haire ado group C gi grade 3 gi leiriba tolo pay ben si lising ma chama panda lepammi ado hauji anoba tare chuba pay lakpada lising ani da on gi ba yaure driver singi di 1900 sida adum thambirame sok lising amaga chamapan maudraga mapan gi da thokiba order amgi matung inna hairiba workshops master singa se chahi tara regularly thabak tobu taragadi hairiba se automatic regular on ga debani haidana order am leremba do madu hoji bhawa implement tobide athuba matamda phirep am lauraga masigi makha taba khongjang ama changchen jarani haiba.
All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals kicked off its 7th annual national conference at the Jubilee Hall of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal today. All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals Northeast Zone, in collaboration with RIMS Community Medicine Department and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JENIMS, organized a conference on the theme Social Research in Healthcare for first time in the Northeast. Speaking at the event, RIMS Director Professor S. Santa said medical social work professionals have significant roles in enhancing the healthcare sector. He asserted that the conference will greatly facilitate in enhancing the health sector of the state. Resource persons from other states and more than 100 delegates will discuss on the benefits of social research in healthcare sector and other relevant topics at the conference.
A medical social worker plays a great role in restoring balance in an individual personal, family, social life in order to help that person maintain or recover his or her health or strengthen his or her ability to adapt, reintegrate into society. It is my firm belief that interaction and sharing the information, ideas, and the new literature in the field of the medical social work during this conference will go a long way in the advancement of the profession.
Additional Director of Health Directorate, Dr. L. Arki, said that the relevant departments have initiated necessary precautionary measures to prevent the outbreak of novel coronavirus 2019 in the state and appealed to people not to be panicked. Speaking to media at the Directorate office in Lamphal today, Dr. Arki said Jennings and Reims are taking stringent measures in the state. He asserted that 172 people who stayed in China, Bangkok and Singapore are kept under surveillance for 28 days. He maintained that the blood samples of 7 suspected persons were sent to NIB in Pune and results of 4 persons have arrived, out of which 2 were found negative and 2 confirmed with swine flu. Dr. R.K. Satadad, Associate Professor of Department of Microbiology, Jennings, Dr. R.K. Manoj Kumar, was appointed as the nodal officer to tackle novel coronavirus 2019 in the state, and reports are being sent to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare every day.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯗꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯕꯨ anyone coming from Wuhan after 15th of January simadi compulsory test tauradabne number 2 da anyone coming from the affected area with symptoms ko adu lerga su test taune sini hoi bok da hairi se adagi atopa mana coronavirus na nare na confirm tawraba mi siga leminaru ba contact haidare ko sisu symptom la gadi sisu taw have adu hoji pogudi khoida coronavirus na leminaru ba mi si hoji pogudi lei 3 aduga hoji yamna kanu oibamna khoigi atopa countries dagi lakpa simadi tawreba adugi hoji mayamna nahanju Myanmar dagi lakpa adu tawa Myanmar yam kiyeb ko adubu aikhoi surveillance ti tawri aduga masidi aikhoi government of India da piba kanda da government of India na low yade.
Additional Food Safety Commissioner cum Health Director Dr. K. Raju has banned import of food items from China, Myanmar and Southeast Asian countries as a part of preventive measures against the novel coronavirus outbreak in the state. Health Services in a notification strictly warned against any import of food items without any import license as per provision provided in Food Safety and Standards, Licensing and Registration of Food Business Regulations 2011 of Central Licensing Authority. Health Minister Langpong Lakpam Jayant Kumar will launch a National Deworming Day for the state tomorrow. National Deworming Day, which will be held across the nation on February 10th. Speaking to media at the Health Directorate in Lamphal today, State Mission Director of National Health Mission in Manipur, Ningthokjam Jeffrey, said that National Deworming Day was launched on February 16, 2016 for the state. He asserted that deworming tablets will be administered to more than 10 lakhs children between 1 to 19 years of the state on February 10th, and those left out children will be administered the tablets on February 17. He declared that arrangements are all set and trainings have been given to those concerned regarding the same. He appealed to parents and guardians to take their children to schools and Angawadi centers to administer the tablets.
ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯕꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯦꯜꯊꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖꯅ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 10ꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ 10.57 ꯂꯥꯈ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 14 ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯇꯦꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯪꯒꯟꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯦꯟꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯒꯣꯌꯤꯡ AST ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯪꯒꯟꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯣꯞꯁ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯝꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ.
Unknown miscreants exploded a hand grenade at Tera Lukram Lerok Part 3 under Lamphal Police Station in Imphal West District yesterday. The incident occurred at the residence of one Kundrakpam Sadat, son of late Mani, of the locality at around 10:30 p.m. Impact News sources said that some unknown miscreants hurled the grenade at Sadat's residence. The blast damaged some part of a gate, wall and window panes of the house. However, no casualties were reported. Lamphal Police has registered a case against the incident. Meanwhile, people of Tera Lukram Lerak Part 3 carried out a protest demonstration today against the bomb blast which occurred at the locality last night. Taking part in the protest, one family member, Kundrakpam Nandarani, condemned the bomb blast which created fear, psychosis and panic among the people of the area. She demanded those concerned to clarify the incident at the earliest. She appealed not to repeat such misconduct in the near future.
Isam samna ai di cheng cha khajik tang yolaga imung ase aina puraga leijabani ai isa su tha ahomuk suraga naraga hidak charaga kapaga leiribani singli gi kari sarugi nadana karmai tawdana asu wana ana ayeksu oiriba aina su pujariba imung sidai sida sen thokpa su amata yaudaba imung sida karamba ground karamba miyoina kari nungai tabagi damakta asugumba sathiba thong ase tawbiramno matungda asugumba thong ase tawbidana ba aina media gi thongda ai isana khoramjari.
Chairperson of Thobal Municipal Council at DH Sharma was defeated in the no-confidence motion filed against him on January 15. However, the order by Mahood Under Secretary to appoint A.K. Sanatomba as Vice Chairperson with immediate effect on January 17 was slashed by an order of High Court of Manipur on January 31st, and T.H. Sharma was re-elected as Chairperson of Thobal Municipal Council. A press meet on the same was held at the conference hall of Thobal Municipal Council, attended by councillors who supported T.H. Sharma. It may be recalled that, as per the judgment given by High Court of Manipur, Executive Officer of Thobal Municipal Council, Hawaibam Pradeep Kumar, published an order on February 5th stating that T.H. Sharma survived the no-confidence motion filed against him and he was elected as the chairperson for the same reason. District Magistrate Kakching has imposed CRPC Section 144 in view of the upcoming Council of Higher Secondary School examination starting February 14. The press release mentioned that the prohibition of assembly of 4 or more people in the district will be applicable during examination days from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on inauguration of Hotel Dani Continental, the first venture of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Thursday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Deputy Chief Minister Yomnam Joy Kumar inaugurated Hotel Dani Continental, the first venture of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited at Thangmeiban Meshram Lekai, Thao Ground opposite today. Speaking at the event, Y. Joy Kumar lauded the director of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited, Vincent Koijama, for opening a fully equipped and updated hotel in the state. He said, there are no hotels in the state which provides the same facilities like that of the hotels in metropolitan cities at the moment. He asserted that the people visiting our state wants to stay in updated, safe and secure hotels. Expressing unfortunate over the less number of modernized forms of hotels in the state, Yomnam Joy Kumar lauded Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited for taking the initiative to open one such hotel. He assured that the hotel will be one of the top hotels in the state. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited, Vincent Koijam, said the architecture and design of the hotel is done by Canwell Design Associate, which is based on Mumbai. He said the hotel includes a multi-cuisine restaurant, have a total of 35 rooms, and will provide various exquisite cuisines to the customers. Top officials of the state government and police department attended the event.
Hotel available in Manipur do not provide type of facilities which people coming from outside aspire for. I've seen all the hotels, lots of my friends, my party president and others important people come and all these things, and that they have stayed in all the hotels. That's why I made it a point to see the rooms, and also I made it a point to see what the suites is going to be like. And I must say that probably as of right now, once this hotel is open, this will be the top hotel in Manipur. People coming from outside, there will be lots of people coming on for business purpose, and for many others, they want to have their stay in a safe and secure place and where basic comforts which they have been getting at other metropolitan cities, etc., are also available here. I must say that whatever facilities that is going to be provided, this is second to none existing elsewhere.
School authorities of Premier English Academy in Kanchipur today felicitated their student Ningthaujam Baldev of class 9, who has modelled a robotic car which can be operated in Manipuri language. 13-year-old Baldev is the eldest son of Ningthaujam Kishan and Ningthaujam Ongbi Nevedita from Singjamai Kha, Nauramlaikai. He developed a keen interest in science and technology since his early childhood days. Young Baldev has also built various business and corporate websites since he was only 11 years. He has also built an online job searching application called e-Thabak. Baldev disclosed that efforts are underway to launch an application called Manipur Sangai Gas News at the earliest. He expressed his desire to pursue a career in artificial intelligence. Founder of Premier English Academy, Huidrom Mathang, teachers and family members of Baldev attended the felicitation event held at the school campus.
YouTube, Google da yumda leba applicants singje kono voice command loina ma on off tawa na chingba yengba awdagi Google da moina moigi kono artificial intelligence ki maramda sum yengba do awdagi sigi je hana kono try tawoina semgena hala sema
maiterongi language da command tawa voice control karama pothokasi thodona yam encouraging way in addition yam thaganingai way aduga magi tungi punsida asidigi henwa tongan ba mayama puthoga mai punsida yamna maming chatpa yamna mo pibam taba ama wehenningi magi achievement asina schooling ngangsingda afaba kanava educationally scientifically yam kudongchabam purakani aina asa tawje.
One-day orientation workshop on Unnat Bharat Abhiyan for participating institutions was held at the conference hall of National Institute of Technology in Lamphilpat today. Speaking at the event, Imphal West DC and Praveen stressed the need to link the workshop with that of the state government's Go to Village program for the development of the villages. He expressed desire for NIT Manipur to take major roles under the scheme launched in 2014 for the welfare of the society. He also assured that district administration will extend all possible help in bringing developmental changes to the villages. Director of NIT Manipur, Professor Gautam Suthardhar, was among those present at the event.
In Manipur, we have been conducting a program called Go to Village, and it was conducted from last year, and then government Manipur just decided to continue this year too with a new figure. And then in last year's experience, the kind of response that we got from the villagers was tremendous, and this time decided to do it, sort of second round kind of thing. So this time will be done with a greater intensity.
A new exclusive outlet of Lekla Bakery was opened at Lalambung Reims Road today. Various food items produced by Lekla Bakery will be made available in the outlet. A Promise, along with Ignite Club Manipur, will jointly organize a world-class workshop on February 16. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the office of A Promise in Uripok today, founder of Ignite Club, Nganthem Chunglemba, said educated youths of the state remains unemployed due to lack of proper guidance. He said the workshop aimed to facilitate the educated youths to be a part of the various developmental changes of the world and bring influential changes in our state. Jinglemba asserted that many intellectuals from in and outside the state will discuss on various relevant topics at the workshop.
Ignite Club amasung e-promise punminaraga handakse akoigi new hope and new objective and new inspiration amaga loinana Manipur da lairiba naha singsi sigi khalaga akoina sigi program asi hodokchabani amasung akoi asigi program asi maruoina akoigi Manipur da highly successful oiraba amasung India dagi Hyderabad dagi world recognized orba yam inspirational oiba resource person mayam pullaga sinjabani aduga silibasi program asi su akoigi haiba resource person asina tasengna thamoinungdagi kainoma awonba Manipur asi haibagi wakhalon sida changminaraga akoina si hodokchabani.
Development and Protection, a united voluntary organization, has condemned Nambol Municipal Council for providing alleged misinformation to the police and creating ruckus during the police meeting held at Nambol Market yesterday. Speaking to media at the organization's office in Nambol Market today, organization secretary T.H. Lamjingba said yesterday's meeting was held to discuss on the developmental activities of the women vendors of Nambol Bazaar and areas under Municipal Council. He condemned Nambol Municipal Council for carrying out such misconduct and demanded clarification at the earliest. Lamjingba also demanded the council to clarify for the unreasonable acts such as collection of money from street vendors for electricity and from those who guard the vendors' properties at night in the market.
Mana masing khara lupa yang kai sama sina na ba yon je wala ko do tar lupa tara khome council sina khoi miam gi thadar ko pesa sing mi is to gi khoi da wakat mayam la hoji mang da uriba khoi 14 finance commission gi khoi gi city bus parking da sariba public toilet se lupa lakh time thoi gi sanction ni hai adu bu masi gi matak ta moina council gi lupa lakh tare ha lakh tram panchi khoi sinares ladiba pm siga atu gi matik khenare government da minister mahut ki director DC SDO address to organi.
United Food Producers Company Limited, along with Uchiwa Gram Panchayat and Impact Uchiwa Lairak Achoba, organized a farmer producers program on sustainable agri-business developmental at Uchiwa Lairak Achoba Community Hall today. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Iramdam United Food Producer Company Limited, Salam Hemanta, urged farmers to unite and work alongside one another to boost the state's economy. CJIK Foundation, along with NPCB, NHM and YVA Haupi Block Churachandpur, held one-day free eye screening camp at Tangmwal JB School in Churachandpur today. Altogether, 205 people were checked up at the camp. 7 people diagnosed with cataracts were taken to CJIK Foundation for further treatment. Acting on reliable information, a combined team of District Administration, Technopol District Police and NAB destroyed a mass illegal poppy plantation at Molden 5 village in Technopol district today. The team, led by Technopol SP TH Bikramjit Singh and NAB SP W Basu, destroyed the poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of about 54 acres of land. Fostering ties between the public and security forces, 182 Battalion BSF Koirenge presented various sports items to Social Worker Congress Club in Kongman, Imphal East District under its Civic Action Program 2019-20 today. Commandant of 182 Battalion BSF, Nitin Gupta, and second in command, Awadesh Kumar, handed over the items to the members of the club. Commandant Nitin Gupta also interacted with the club members on the occasion. Now the sports news. 1 month-long residential judo coaching camp organized by Mayai Lambi Sports Academy, Mayang Imphal, is underway successfully. Judo players of the academy A. Anita Chanu and K.H. Tombi were conferred upon the Arjuna Award in 2004 and 2008 respectively, and K.H. Tombi also took part in the 2008 Olympic Games held in Beijing. Players at T.H. Tababi Devi bagged a gold and silver medal in the 2018 Commonwealth Judo Championship and the Youth Summer Olympic 2020. Many judo players of the academy participated in various national and international championships, and the academy bagged the team champion title several times in all the state-level judo championships held under the aegis of Manipur Judo Association. Numerous boys and girls are participating in the coaching camp, which commences from January 27th. The camp will continue till February 27th. Principal of the academy, T.H. Bijoy, Chief Coach A. Surjit, NIS, and coaches A. Surchandra, NIS, A. Premlata, NIS, and T.H. Athoba, MPES, are taking major roles in training the players at the camp. The coach stated that the merits and demerits of the coaching, which is being held for the fourth time in the state.
Chief Coach Samoina, akoina basic su yawa, adegi international level ki angang su yawa, adegi middle age su yawa, angang yawa ni pula mix up torga toba coaching ni na akoi khaitang sidai da awaba khaitang di thengnai yam saw din na te adu toba do oja marina coaching je makhata na chathabani na step by step basic ki angang oja group ama middle gi adegi senior kangbu gi sumaina akoi adum awaba kaya thengnaraga ju masuguma kaya ji thengnaraga ni na chongthoroba oja sing ni na makoi akoi awaba si ka hena wa de na
Anouba, coaching Manung Zigio in a Sedunama, Towe, Ayuki Pung, Tarung Makai Horaga, Nipan Fawa, Tozare, Aduga, Nuntingi Matamana Pung, Ohum de Horaga, Manga Fawa, the Manatoze, Aduga, Masi, day by day, when I Makan Makangi training, morning the evening the Dum Toze, morning the Equina, Angang the Tozerisi, Monday morning the Quinatorisi, endurance, speed and endurance Tozare, Aduga, Nuntingi Matamana, Equina, gripping technique and Judogi, how to combine a grip control Togani Hayang me, the combine grip Pagani, the combine me grips, Mina Parakan, the Quina combine release Togani, Hannes Hibnessing, competition norms, the Quina Angang the Tabitambi.
UTLWO Uripok Torambam Lekau defeated UK CCL Oinam by 5-2 in the match of the ongoing first Hishnam Nilakamal Mobi Memorial under 40 kg 4A tournament organized by Youth Integration Club today. In the second match, SDC Samurao beat HLFC Hodam Ledak by 3-1, while Urban FC Yumnam Lekai dropped Golden FC Palace Compound by 4-0 in today's last match of the tournament. YIC Keshamthong Lomjung Maning Lekai will play against LKYDA Laifam Kono in the first quarter-final match of the tournament on February 8. While Real FC Top Sifai will lock horns with All FC Uripok Sorbon Thingel in the second quarter-final match. UTLWO Uripok Taurambam Lekai will battle against Athoiba FC in the tournament's third quarter-final match, while IPMSC Irom Pukri Mapal will against play UK CCL Oinam in the fourth quarter-final match of the tournament on February 9. 28th Sector Some Rifles Kukching Battalion organized a friendly football match which aimed to promote Fit India movement today. Bangal Tabi Youth Club played against Assam Rifles in the match. A public health awareness program was also held as a part of the event. Sports Authority of India North-East Regional Centre Imphal in a press release notified that a selection trial for cyclists to attend Khelo India Academy will held for youths between the age of 9 to 16 years. Interested candidates can acquire further details from SAI office. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Scuffles breaks out between street vendors and police personnel. 5 street vendors, 3 police personnel and Assistant Commissioner of Imphal West sustained injuries. Council of Teachers Association Kota warns to boycott upcoming Class 10 and 12 examinations 2020 if the state government fail to fulfill its demand to implement 7th pay scale. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur and All Manipur College Teachers Association continued the protest demanding to implement 7th pay scale. And All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals kicked off its 7th annual National Conference on Social Research in Healthcare at RIMS today.